Namaste. Today it is International Yoga Day. All over the world, it will be celebrated. Because of the corona disaster, people are getting more attracted towards the subject of yoga. In spite of having such adverse situation, everybody will go for having some demonstration, some practice, either in a group or on an individual level. May it be postural practice, may it be pranayamic practice, may it be breathing practice, or may it be meditation. Because of this situation, there are so many things, different things. Those are coming forward. They are thrown into the light in a most attractive manner. Attractive is not necessarily the correct one. So, your performance, you should go, or one should go, I will say, for getting better feeling at his mind. Better in what sense? Whether one gets really the pleasure out of that. Now, what is the real pleasure? I am going to demonstrate and the people will appreciate. Is that the better way of demonstration? I am not going anywhere. I am practicing myself and I am enjoying that practice. So, among these two examples, one is extrovert, he is doing all these things for the external world, and the second one is for himself. We, Swanand Yoga classes say, whenever you are going for having yogic practice, may it be at any level, do it for yourself and try to see you within. You may raise a question how to see within. As a matter of fact, it is not new to you. All through our daily life, we are experiencing that particular state of looking within many times. On the contrary, I will just say that happenings in our life, they are just making us to get introvert, to look within. Or I will say most of your reactions are emerging from within and getting experience on the peripheral level of being observed by the external sources. May those be the other persons. May those be your sense organs. On 21st June, International Yoga Day, we are not going to do anything. No program in public, no program together or in group. I need not say the reasons behind. And as a matter of fact, the science of yoga, it is not to be practiced in group. Why? Because every individual is different from other. Every person's individuality is unique in the world. Therefore, one thing which is possible, easily applicable or acceptable may not be the same with the other person. Even when you are going for practicing in group, your own experience about the particular practice, particular abhyas, particular posture is different for everyone. So going together, I will just say instead, even though you are in a group, be to yourself. How? Simple thing. Be with your body. Body develops some reflexes. Try to read them and see that those are always pleasurable. The name Swanand stands for that. But going in a group, it distracts your mind towards the external environment. So we recommend, go on practicing on individual level. Perhaps after reaching a particular level, even when you are in a group, you will be alone. We say in the beginning, just to inculcate the spirit of going for the practice, it is a human nature that a group gives them a little bit more boost. If you feel it so, you can. But as you are alone, unique in the group, in the same way, try to experience the body reflexes, the feelings from within. And to go within, it is, though supposed to be difficult, it is much more easier. And it happens with our breathing. You might not be knowing that our breath is the life force itself. It is called prana. So if you are playing with the prana, getting within, it is much more easier through the breath. Keep on observing your breath. It is getting in. Remember, it is getting in. We are not drawing in. When it is getting in, it takes the potentiality to the extent your body is needed. I will rather use the word deha, because with the body we generally go for the gross body. And when we say deha, it is inclusive of the pranic energy that is existing in our body. So, breath will be at the focus, body will be the mean, sadhan. And keep yourself engaged in reading the pleasurable body reflexes. If the breathing gets disturbed, perhaps the reflexes may go onto the other side. It will go in due course of time as you will go on putting the practice. It is very difficult, supposed to be. We say it is much more easier provided you continue practicing consistently, getting involved in your own practice and keep patience. Whatever it grows up faster, develops faster, it is a nature's phenomena that it doesn't last longer. And we should not go for having immediate results. There again, we are just going against the principles of yoga. Therefore, keep in mind, go on doing, go on experiencing, and as your body responses are improving, you will be able to feel that yes, we are getting some better results or getting some improvement in the physical level which you are going to observe through the body reflexes. So with this, I say this is the only thing one should go for doing it on International Yoga Day.